Welcome to the Genes and Disease Lab program. My name is Dr. Natalie Colson and I'm your course convener. To attend the labs, you will need a lab coat, safety glasses and your lab workbook. There are 4 labs in the program and a lab competency exam. The 4 labs are mitosis in plants, meiosis in grasshoppers. You will be dissecting and looking at chromosomes from fly larvae, and you will be typing your own blood if you choose to determine your blood type. At the end of labs 2, 3 and 4, there will be a quiz. The quiz will have 8 questions and will be worth 4% per lab class, so 12% in total. In pages 2 to 3 of your lab workbook, I explain what we'll be assessing in those quizzes. In week 11, there will be a lab competency exam and it's worth 13%. In the lab competency exam, we'll be assessing you using a microscope to be able to identify the types of slides that we've looked at in your lab classes, also blood typing, gene crosses, and cell division, mitosis and meiosis. In page 3 of your lab workbook, there are more details. Make sure during your labs that you're engaging in the experimental work and make sure that you feel comfortable using the microscope and doing the process of blood typing. If you feel comfortable and confident, you should do well in the competency exam. The labs are compulsory for the course. If you can't make a laboratory class, if an emergency happens or you're unwell, what you need to do is check the timetable and see when the next class is and go along to that class and ask as a special occasion if you can attend that class. If you can't attend any of the labs for that week, you'll need to provide valid documentation, and that documentation might be a medical certificate, for example. If you only miss one lab in the program, we may be able to average your other marks. The labs are an important part of the course. They enforce concepts that you have covered in your lectures. Students really enjoy the labs. Past feedback has been very positive about them. I'm sure you'll enjoy them as well.